Hello there. In this video, let's try to map the human systems and functions to the technologies under AI. Now, since the objective of AI is to mimic human intelligence, or at least some parts of it, and it is a machine, we can categorize human systems into applicable and as not applicable. So, when we do that, all of these systems go out of scope. Now, what are applicable are the nervous, muscular, skeletal, and the reproductive system. Alright, let's first start with the nervous system. Now, when we talk about the nervous system, we are primarily talking about the brain and its support structure throughout your body. The brain has different lobes or different sections, and each of these sections is responsible for an extraordinary number of functions. The first is the frontal lobe. So all of your organization, reasoning, thinking, decision making, all of that happens in the frontal lobe. The temporal lobe is responsible for your emotions, fear, long-term, short-term memory, behavior, and so on. So the sensory functions like your taste, touch, smell, temperature are processed by the parietal lobe. You have a special lobe called the occipital lobe dedicated for your visual system. Perception, comprehension, processing, all of that is done by the occipital lobe. You also have other lobes doing other supportory and vital functions for the sustenance of the human body. Now keep in mind that AI only mimics a small subset of these functions. Now let's jump and go and map these functions to the technologies under AI. Your nervous system can be mapped roughly to technologies under AI such as machine learning, NLP, computer vision, IoT. Your muscular and skeletal system are roughly mimicked by the robotics and IoT technologies under AI. Now going back to this list, we have one which is left, which is the reproductive system. Now this is an extremely powerful system concerning human beings. That's how you procreate, and humans are still existing. Now this is where the negative connotation of AI comes into picture, because if the AI is able to simulate the reproductive system, then it becomes autonomous and it's able to produce and program machines. This is where the governments, researchers, organizations, and public in general are trying to be very cautious and control this specific development.